Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi you guys, I hope you guys are still keeping safe. It has been about a year into the pandemic that we are in right now. We're still constantly washing and sanitizing our hands and wearing masks everywhere we go. Here in Malaysia, it's mandatory to wear masks outside, so keeping up to beat with the current situation. Today I will be doing an above the mask makeup. Okay, since it's above the mask makeup, I am not gonna focus on the face area because truly it's just gonna be covered with a mask. So I'm just gonna touch a little bit here and there so that when you take off your mask, you don't look too weird. To start it all off, I am going to begin with concealer. I'm gonna use the Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless concealer I have here. Erase those under eyes because people can still see that although you're wearing a mask. Obviously, I did not iron my scarf today, at least not yet. Okay, I'm gonna apply a little bit on other parts of my face, just a little bit to get like an even skin tone at least. I'm gonna set that concealer with some powder. You can totally skip this part, it's not truly necessary. Just me being extra. I'm gonna use this Cheek Stars Reunion Tour palette from Benefit. So I am going to start contouring my face. Okay, now I'm gonna apply some blush. I'm gonna use Sugar Bomb from this palette and apply some blush. Last week, I was fortunate enough to be in a Zoom call with Patrick Starr. One of the participants in that Zoom call actually asked him some tips on how to wear makeup when you're wearing a mask. And one of the tips that really caught me is that he said to apply blusher closer to your eye so that when you wear a mask, you can still see a little bit of that hint of that blusher, which I thought was pretty cool. Of course, I'm gonna have to complete this look with a kiss-proof lipstick. I'm gonna quickly do that. Okay, so I think we're done with the face part. So now we can really focus on the real above the mask area, which is your eyes. Okay, so first of all, of course, we're gonna have to do the brows. Lately, I have been loving using the Brow Microfilling pen. This is their most recent brow product. It gives me very natural looking eyebrows and I love that. As easy as that, so you can tell the difference. My eyebrows is filled this side and this side, but it still gives me that natural brow look. I love it. Okay, now for the eyes, I'm going to just use the Hoola bronzer right here. So I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow on my eyelids. Again, you can totally skip this step altogether. All I want to do is just create a little bit of depth into my eyes, a little bit of definition. Now, time for probably the most important part of all, mascara. But before I apply the mascara, of course, don't forget to curl your lashes first to get maximum effect. Lucky for you guys, Benefit is having a gift with purchase promotion. You will be getting this eyelash curler when you purchase Benefit at Sephora. So this is the pink eyelash curler that you will be getting. Mascara, of course, I'm gonna use the new They're Real Magnet by Benefit. It has a real magnetic formula and the wand itself is actually magnetic. Like, it can literally attract metal. This magnetic formula is said to be able to further lengthen your lashes and also volumize it as well. I love that this mascara is not too wet. The formula is pretty dry, so it's not messy, when you apply it, but at the same time you can still see the difference in volume. So this is the result with only one layer. You can compare the volumizing effect that it did. Compare this lashes to this one. Coats of the They're Real Magnet Mascara, as you can see. Oh my god, my eyelashes are so long now. Next is eyeliner. I'm gonna use this Benefit Roller Liner eyeliner. Also, I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight from this same palette. And a little bit on the bridge of the nose, because people can still see this. It's still above the mask. And below the eyebrow, just a little bit. And we're done! Alrighty, that's it. That is my humble take on the above the mask makeup. And now with the new Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara, it's gonna be so much easier for me to get that long fluttery lashes without having to put on falsies. Benefit's They're Real Magnet Mascara is already available on Sephora, so you can grab them now and get yourself an eyelash curler gift with purchase. All the products that I used in this video will be listed in the description box below. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, as always, you can click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye!